All right. Had a couple calls and a couple inboxes and text messages this morning when I woke up. So I wanted to make a quick video just giving some examples and allowing people to watch my trading style. I've been trading for the last hour, so the computer just logged me out, which Vital Forex does that, and it's something that I don't like about it. Okay, so as soon as I log in, the first thing I want to do is look over to the left and see what percentage the currency are currently paying at. One of my favorite pairs is USD SEK. It's paying at 79%. I also like USD JPY. It says 73. I don't trade USD China. I just never have. There's no reason. USD CAD is currently at 80%. GA is at 85 and EA is at 90. EA is a little too spiky for me. So I am going to roll with USD CAD. All right, so the way I start off for my warm up, I trade $1. And what I'm gonna do is switch this over to the candles. I'm gonna leave it on turbo. I'm gonna leave my time at 1 minute. And when this gets to 20 seconds, whatever color is here, whatever direction I'm seeing here, that's the direction I'm gonna take. It's showing red, so I'm gonna take a put. Now, if I win, I'm gonna increase to $2. And if I lose, I'm gonna increase to $2. My strategy, I basically just keep moving up by $1 until I make it to 10, and then I start over. So once I get to 10 and I win my $10 trade, I start over. If I lose, then I double up the amount that I bet. So if I put in $5, so I just won this one, so I'm going on to $2, and I would have been at $2 regardless, even if I had lost. When it gets to 20 seconds, then I place my bet. Or shouldn't we call it a bet? My trade. But as I was saying, if I had placed a trade in for $5 and I had lost, then I would have doubled up. I would have traded 10 to get back what I lost, plus still make some money on my trade. All right, so we're showing green at the 20-second range. So I took a call. Let's see what happens. And another way you can check this too, I like to look down here and see like how much time I have left and check my payout. But you can also put it back on the tick chart, and then you can see, you get a good idea if you're gonna win or not. Unless this completely spikes up, I'm gonna lose this trade. So we can go ahead and prepare to double the trade up at $4. 20 seconds, we're showing green, so I'm gonna take a call. And as crazy as it sounds, I actually won that trade. It spiked up. So my line was here. My line was somewhere in here, and it actually spiked up, and I won that trade. All right, let's see what happened with the new trade. I'm currently losing. And it's pretty far down. All right, so I lost the $4 trade. I'm gonna double up at 8. And I'll enter at 20 seconds. All All right, looks like it wants to move up. I'm gonna go ahead and place a call. And we'll see what the tick chart gives us. All right, I won the trade. All right. So I won my $2 trade. I accidentally skipped over my $3 trade that I would have taken, and I ended up taking 4. I lost the $4, which is what caused me to trade at 8. So now I'm going back to $5. And it's going to be a put because it's showing red. I lost the trade. I'm going to double up for 10. All right, looks like it's going to be a call because it's green. So we're going to go ahead and buy that. Going to check the tick chart to see where I'm at. I'm definitely above it. Let's hope that it holds and it doesn't drop. And there you have it. I won the trade, $18. Okay, so now I've completed my series of 1 through 5. So I will go back and start over. And this is for people that have beginning accounts. You need to get as comfortable as you can with the market. It's green at the 20, so we're gonna go ahead and take it. Another thing too, I noticed like the more I trade, the more that I can recognize patterns, the more I kind of see what's gonna happen with the chart. You just start to pick up little things with the patterns, or working with certain pairs, you kind of know how it's gonna move. So this is gonna be my last example. And I missed that one, so I'm gonna run again at 2, double up. And this is actually a really tight trade because if you pay attention, these candles are actually moving sideways. This is consolidation. The market's trying to figure out what it wants to do. It's trying to make a decision. Does it want to go up? Does it want to go down? So while the market is making a decision, it's actually trading sideways. Here, it was trading down. There's no question about it. You had direction. Here, it was trading up. Here, it kind of started moving sideways a little bit. You had a little bit of movement. But here it's just straight up consolidation. So we may not be able to take anymore for about another 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, it's consolidating. I'm going to wait for a few minutes and see if we actually get some movement. Still consolidating. And when I say movement, what I'm looking for, these two lines right here, this is an imaginary floor for me. So unless it breaks below this line or it's gonna break above this line because this was the last, like the most recent highest candle, until the next candle breaks beyond one of those borders, I'm not gonna enter another trade because it's still sideways. Let's see if it breaks here. It's really close. Yep, it broke. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and enter a put right there. And let's watch it from the tick chart and see. And there you have it. I won the trade. Hopefully this helps you understand a little bit more in depth what I've been doing. Like I said, I'm back at work now. Really unhappy about that, but hey, it is what it is. Um, I'll be trading more often and doing more live videos on around about August the 15th.